Good morning viewers, I am S.A. Raju from Caroman. We are into multi-brand car repair, service, body shop and detailing business from the past 11 years. We are located in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad we are having 3 outlets, LB Nagar, Gachibowli and ECAL. There are 300 million cars in the Indian roads. Every car will report twice in a year to your garage for repair or service. Their claim ratio in India is 15%. It means every 100 cars, 15 cars will report to body shop to repair it. And even EV vehicles, electrical vehicles also need our car service stations for repairs. Like they are also having brakes, they are also having the AC system, they are also having the body shop works. Yes, multi-brand car service stations are needed in future also. Do you know by 2035 these 300 million vehicles are going to be 600 millions in the Indian roads. By seeing these numbers, do you think that running a multi-brand car service station is a cakewalk? If you are thinking on that lines, it is not right, not at all right, because the ground realities are something different. Just inquire how many multi-brand car service stations has been opened 3-4 years back in your location, and just find out how many multi-brand car service stations are presently running. It means that every multi-brand car service station is not successful despite of having all these huge volumes on the Indian market. You want to know the reason? Just hold. You want to know that secret? Yes, I am going to reveal for you. That secret is a viable business model. Yes, if you follow a viable business model, you are going to success 100%. So you know the reason and you know the formula, viable business model. Don't go and do R&Ds, because I am going to provide a solution for this also. Before going to provide a solution, just I want to give a story of a company. A company has been started in 2010 with a single garage just in 2000 SFT. That in 11 years that company has been spread into Hyderabad into 3 multi-brand outlets with a professional outlets and rendering 50,000 plus customers from the beginning. That is the business model, real business model they are having. Just follow them. That brand is simply Caroman. Yes, you heard rightly. Caroman is inviting franchises in your location. In hot locations like Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Tirupati, Kurnool, Warangal, Sangareddy, Karimnagar. Yes. Just you have to do is just log on to Caroman website and fill the form, and we are going to contact you. And don't do any R&Ds, don't waste your hard-earned money. Thank you. Signing off, your S.A. Raju.